Hi there, welcome to the channel. The name is Obiba JK, and this is JK Farm. Yeah, so today I'm taking you through my backyard poultry farm. Yeah, so before I even proceed, let's talk about the fencing. Yeah, this is just a mosquito net, and considering the height, you might be wondering, these guys can just jump over it. Yes, you are right. But this is a transparent one, so instead of them jumping over, they'll rather be trying to walk through. And that's impossible. But there are some few ones who definitely jump over. Yeah, so during the day they have enough space to play around, jump around, and eat, drink, have their sun bath. And then in the night they have a beautiful place to lay their heads. Yeah, so let's take a detailed look at the coop. It has 3 floors, the lower floor, the upper, which has the chambers. So these ones are incubating. I have some few eggs up there. Yeah, over there are the males. They are disturbing the females, so I cage them, leaving only one for fertilization. And with their beddings, I use sand instead of the wood shaving. Yeah, so what I observed is that the sand is able to absorb more liquid from their feces, and that one is easier to clean. But with the wood shavings, I would have to clean everything and then put a new one in anytime I'm cleaning. But with the sand, I just clean out the feces and then top it up, and I'm done for the day. I have a video up here. You can click on it to watch how to build this type of coop. I also have a video on how you can make this type of drinker by yourself up here. This is my brooding house. This is where I keep the newly hatched chicks together with their brooder. That's the hen. For at least 1.5 months, and then I separate them from the hen, and then keep them in a separate room for another 1 month before I let them join the main flock. And I do keep them inside because of predators. one important thing to note here is that I've net the brooding house all around, and I did so because I do not want any mosquito to enter. Now, one disease I've been battling with regards to the hatchlings is coryza. I tried researching, I asked other people. Most people were saying that it's infections and then when they eat their feces and other things. And I think one or two people also said it's caused by mosquitoes. And I mean, taking a critical look at the infections, I believed it was mosquitoes. So I net the brooding house all around. And I can testify that after doing that, that coryza thing has ceased. So I can boldly talk from experience that coryza is actually caused by mosquitoes, not the infections they claim it to be. These ones are a month and 2 weeks old. They'll be joining the main frog in a month's time.